Hey guys, did you know that you can be able to run or install Laravel on your PC locally without running any code? All you have to do is just type or enter the name of the project and just press OK. And this is it. This is your Laravel. You can start building up right here. Let's get started. First, what you do, go to your browser and search for laragon.org and just click download, and you select this Laragon 2025. Depends on the year you're watching, and get the full version. Put it where you want it to be, your location, and save. Once the download is done, locate it and install. It brings you many things, but just go for more information and run anyway. Put the location that you prefer. I can put it anywhere I want. Let me use E and install. Once it's complete, you can just finish and run the application, and it brings us to this section. So all you have to do is just click start. So you also allow it to access the HTTP server. Now, what you need to know is in this application, please allow anything that it asks with admin. So you can see you'll be able to run Apache server here. You'll also be able to run MySQL. I'll show you later on how you can be able to access all these features. Then also there is Mailpit that helps you to run the emailing system. It's a complete web server that you're installing it locally. So what happens is, if you come down here, there is a stop. You can be able to see the web databases, terminal, and the root. All these things we shall be able to explore them after learning how to install Laravel on your PC locally in one click. Now, once this is done, all you have to do is go to menu, then you go to quick apps, and you can be able to see you're able to run all these applications just in one click. But for this video, we are going to Laravel. And all you have to do is just put the name of the project and let it run on its own. So in this case, I'm going to call it Bentech. Just like that. And you press OK. Now you can see the whole project is going to run as I just said. It starts with putting the running code, and you can see the project is going to be on this directory called Bentech. So let's wait until it finishes. Now you can see the code is running, and it's really very fast. Perfect. Now you can see, if you come down the last two lines, you can be able to see the project path is E Laragon www.bentech. Let me show you that one. Just go to this. I go to E folder, which is this one. Then I get Laragon here and www, and I open Bentech. You can be able to see all your files here. So in case you want to make changes, you'll be able to open with VS Code. But let's first see the URL, how we're able to access our project. So this is also the second one, is the URL. You just copy it, and then you come to your browser and you just paste it there. When you press enter, it first brings like an error, but all you have to do, come back to your Laravel. You can just stop first of all there, then you restart it all. Once you restart it, you just come back and refresh this, and boom, your Laravel is working. So let me show you briefly how you can be able to make changes to your or start editing. So it's just simple. You can open with your VS Code, and you open the folder following the directory that you're guided. You just go to E and go to Laragon www, and Bentech is here. So when I come to that, I'll be able to see this. So if you come to things like resources, views, and check the welcome blade, which is this one, you'll be able to make changes, or you just delete everything and start building your project afresh. So let me just show you only one thing that I can be able to change to prove to you that this is working. Right now you can see the message here is Bentech. The message here is Laravel has incredibly rich ecosystem. Let me change that to like welcome to Bentech. If I save this, I go back to refresh. Perfect. You can see this is welcome to Bentech. So this is basically how you can be able to run Laravel in one click. In this next video, I'm also going to show you more features that you can be able to get with this simple local server. It's more powerful than XAMPP, WAMP, or whatever that you need. Maybe briefly, you can be able to also access your project just by clicking root, and it brings you to the project. It's right here. Or you can also be able to access the terminal by just clicking the terminal, and it brings you to the terminal, and you'll be able to run anything into your project, or you want to locate your directory, you just put cd and put your Bentech, and takes you directly to that directory. Also, in case you want to database, just click database and it brings you to the database host. So everything is right here. In case you have any challenges or you have any video recommendation, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to make a video for you. Thank you. Bye.